How to add additional clocks to the taskbar in Windows 11. In Windows 11, you can display up to 3 clocks for different time zones in the Notification Center calendar in the taskbar. This feature is especially useful for teams collaborating across multiple regions. In Windows 11, hovering the cursor over the Notification Center calendar shows your local clock. To add another clock on the Notification Center calendar, open the Settings menu. Select the time and language setting. Then, select the date and time setting. Scroll down to the Related Links section. Then, click Additional Clocks. The Date and Time dialog box opens with the Additional Clocks tab selected by default. 2 additional clocks can be added, each showing a different time zone. To add a clock for an additional time zone, click the Select Time Zone drop-down under the first Show This Clock section. In this case, select Perth's time zone as your additional clock. Perth's time zone is now selected as your additional clock. You can rename the clock to make it more suitable for your needs. In this case, type Perth in the Enter Display Name field. Click Apply, and then click OK. Now, when you hover the cursor over the Notification Center, the Perth time zone is displayed alongside your local time zone. To add a third clock, navigate to the Additional Clocks tab in the Date and Time dialog box once more. In the second Show This Clock section, click the Select Time Zone drop-down to choose a different time zone. In this case, you want the time zone for Tokyo. Scroll down and select Osaka, Sapporo, Tokyo. Tokyo's time zone is now set as an additional clock. If you prefer, you can rename the clock to Tokyo. Click Apply, and then click OK. Now, when you hover the cursor over the Notification Center, the clocks for Tokyo and Perth will be visible alongside your local clock.